Several factors can cause the Genmoji icon to disappear on your MacBook Air M3 running iOS 26. Incompatibility is a primary reason. Genmoji only works on specific devices with Apple Silicon, like the iPhone 15 Pro and later, and newer iPads and Macs with M2 M3 chips. An outdated iOS version, earlier than iOS 26, will also prevent Genmoji from functioning. Incorrect keyboard settings, such as missing English, US, or the emoji keyboard, or having the stickers toggle disabled, can also be the culprit. Finally, a language mismatch between Siri and your system settings can disrupt Genmoji functionality, as well as temporary glitches. We will cover all of the fixes to solve this. The first step is to verify your device compatibility. Genmoji requires Apple Intelligence, which is only available on specific Apple devices. Compatible devices include iPhone 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, and all iPhone 16 models. Your device must have Apple Silicon chips like M2 or M3 for the AI processing. This also includes newer iPads and Macs equipped with these chips. If your MacBook Air M3 or other device doesn't meet these hardware requirements, Genmoji simply won't work, no matter what software updates you apply. Always check Apple's website for the latest compatibility information. Genmoji requires specific language settings to work properly with Apple Intelligence. Let's configure the keyboard to ensure English US is enabled and active. First, open the Settings app on your MacBook Air M3. Navigate to General, then Keyboard, and finally select Keyboards to see your current keyboard list. In the Keyboards list, check if English US is already listed and active. This language setting is essential for Genmoji's Apple Intelligence features. If English US is not in the list, tap Add New Keyboard to expand your options. From the list of available keyboards, select English US. Then ensure it's enabled by checking that the toggle is switched on. This provides the proper language support Genmoji needs. Once English US is properly configured and active, Genmoji will have the correct language settings to function with Apple Intelligence. Genmoji is accessed through the emoji keyboard. If the emoji keyboard is missing, you won't be able to use Genmoji. To add it, start by opening Settings on your device. Next, navigate to General, then Keyboard Settings. This is where you can manage all your keyboard options. Then, tap Add New Keyboard and select Emoji from the list of available keyboards. With the emoji keyboard added, the Genmoji feature should now be accessible through your keyboard options. The Genmoji feature is located under the Stickers setting in the keyboard menu. To enable it, navigate to Settings, then General, and select Keyboard. In the keyboard settings, scroll down to the Emoji section. You'll find the Stickers toggle there. The Stickers toggle controls whether Genmoji appears in the messaging keyboard. If it's off, Genmoji won't show up. Turn on the Stickers toggle. This setting allows the Genmoji feature to appear and be selectable, resolving the missing icon issue. A mismatch between Siri's language and your system's region language can disrupt Apple Intelligence and Genmoji functions. To resolve this, go to Settings, then Apple Intelligence and Siri, then Language, and set Siri language to English, US. Then, go to Settings, General, Language and Region, and ensure the system language matches Siri's, preferably English, US. This synchronization is crucial for proper Genmoji functionality. Corrupted keyboard settings can cause Genmoji to malfunction. Resetting the keyboard dictionary clears out conflicting settings that may be preventing the feature from working correctly. First, locate and open the Settings app on your device. In Settings, scroll down and tap on General to access System Settings. Within General, find and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone to access reset options. On the Reset screen, tap the Reset button to see available reset options. From the reset options, select Reset Keyboard Dictionary. This will clear learned words and shortcuts. Confirm your action when prompted. The device will restart and apply the changes. After the reset, your keyboard dictionary will be cleared, and you may need to re-enter common words. This can resolve Genmoji issues caused by corrupted settings. For additional tips, ensure you have a stable network connection, as some Apple Intelligence features require downloading AI model data. Also, if you're using third-party keyboards like SwiftKey, try switching back to the default Apple keyboard, as some features might be blocked by third-party apps. Thank you for watching. Check the description for links and further troubleshooting tips.